back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell, we're in a slightly different setup. And if you didn't watch my room tour, which by the way you totally should, I will make sure to leave it in the post down below as well as in the corner. And in that video I told you guys that I may do a makeup collection as well as a nail polish collection if you would be interested. And for today's video I decided just to go for it and film makeup collection also, because I will be leaving this room real soon and there's just no way that I'm gonna be bringing all my makeup with me. So I thought that I might show you guys my makeup collection, how I organize everything, and also what I'm bringing and what I will not bring with me, so that I can film this video and be productive for my YouTube channel and everything, and be actually starting packing some things. So yeah, I'm really excited for this video, and if you're interested, just keep on watching. So basically all the makeup that you will see I did buy with my own money. I am not to a stage where a brand send me products. Well, I would like that. I mean, if you want to, you can just send me products. I would like to review it or whatever, but you know, we're not on that stage yet, so it's fine. So basically right here I have this sort of container which I actually made myself with all my makeup items, and we're gonna through it in a minute. I'm gonna just do a close-up look and stuff, but I just quickly wanted to go through also the other things that are in this sort of compartment. So right here there's a jar with my everyday makeup, and I actually filmed an everyday makeup tutorial type of thing, so I will leave that in the eye as well. Those are all the products that I use on a day-to-day basis. Then right here there's like this box with a bunch of random stuff, like a cream or like face product, just like a bunch of things that are organized, but at the same time they're not necessarily organized like crazy going whatever. So right here I have my Mario Batescu treatment for like spots and stuff. Then this one is actually a scrub, so it's basically just coffee, yeah, pure coffee, and I do use it as a scrub, and believe it or not, it is amazing. Like, I just love it, and it will also make you save so much money, because you're not literally buying any sort of expensive scrubs, you're just using a coffee, which I'm pretty sure all you guys are addicted to coffee. I mean, let me know in the comments down below if you are addicted to coffee or not, because I'm actually really interested in that. And then moving on, there's also my Q-tips, and then also a jar with like my cotton pods. Yeah, I think that now I'm actually going to bring this bag which has all my makeup, as you can tell, and I do have to say that it's pretty heavy. With that, let's go. So here we are. I decided to go ahead and bring all my makeup, place it on top of my table, so that it'll be easier for me to just go through it all, and also for you guys to see what I'm actually doing, and what are the products that I have and whatsoever. And I also decided to go ahead and bring my everyday makeup that is like in this jar, like I said, but I don't think that I'm going through it in this video, simply because, like I said, I film an everyday makeup routine with this product, so if you're interested, that will be linked. And then right here I have this sort of pouch where I'm going to simply be putting all the makeup that I will actually bring. And yeah, let's just go through it. So basically this little divider is actually a DIY that I made, and as you can tell, there are like 3 different sections. So this first one, which is kind of messy, not gonna lie, but I feel like it's as organized as it's gonna get. So this one is a bunch of like my lips products, so like a bunch of lipstick. Here there are like some pencil for like eyes, some brushes, and that's pretty much it for this one. Then this front section is pretty much all my face makeup. So there's like a BB cream, this one which is in a lighter, blush, highlighter, and this one is also like a foundation. And you guys, I love this foundation. So this one was the Kiko Full Protection Stick Foundation. The only thing is, it's literally like, can you tell? There's no product in it, but I just can't get rid of it because I truly love this foundation. And Well, it's kind of out of stock right now, so I don't know if I will ever see that again. Really hope so because that was one of the best foundation ever. And also has some pencil right here, some more lips product. Then those are like shimmery highlights or like shimmery eyeshadows, which are so pretty. I think I talked about those in the first makeup video that I did, or like when I was in Romania and I wanted to use these, but then I haven't, and I messed up my makeup, but that was no other story. But these are really, really pretty if you want to go for like a night look and just be, you know, really shiny on your eyes. Amazing. I have here my sponge or like my beauty blender. This one is from Sephora. And then right here I have a bunch of like eye products as for like palette or just singular eyeshadow. And then right here also have my powder, which is once again from Kiko, and this one is the Invisible Power. And I am not really a huge fan of this powder, but I do think the packaging is pretty cute, and the reason why I'm not a huge fan of it is like the smell. I really don't like the smell of it like at all. So yeah, I think I'm actually going to pick out the things that I'm going to bring and tell you guys what those are. So first thing, I will bring those, and this one are the Intense Pencil by Weekend. So this one is on the shade pinkish beige, and then this other one is red. So 01 and 08, there we go. So those are definitely going to go in the package. Then I'm going to be bringing my Garnier Skin Active BB cream. Oh my god, I literally use this foundation for like all my life. When I first start just getting to makeup and stuff, like in, I think it was not even high school, it was a little the middle school. So I was just getting into makeup, and that was the first foundation that I did buy, although I did buy the medium at first, and I'm definitely not a medium. You can tell I'm pretty fair. And so yeah, that was just a disaster, but I really love the foundation, and I feel like I did try quite a few foundations. I talked about this one from Kiko, and like right here I also have this other one from NYX, which is like a mousse type of foundation. And the point is, I always come back to that one because it's a BB cream, it's super light, but it gives you a coverage which I'm really happy with, like an amount of coverage which is decent, but it's not fake at the same time, if this makes sense. Then another thing that I'm going to be bringing is this one right here. This is also the first blush I feel like that I ever bought, and I don't know if it like expire or something, but I feel like can actually powder expired. Also, yes, it is broken legitimately because once it fell out. And this one is from Deborah, but I just truly love it. It's on the shade 05, which is Cherry. So this one is going to came as well. Then I will bring this palette. This is actually a gift that my friend gave me, like my best friend gave me for my birthday. And I do like this palette. This one is from Max Factor, and it is on the shade 01 Cappuccino Nude. And oh my gosh, you guys need to go and try this out. It's kind of more on the expensive side. I mean, it was not that expensive. I mean, I know it was a gift, but it was not expensive. And I actually have this one, which is pretty similar. I would say that this one is kind of the dupe for these. And this one is the Sense All About Nude eyeshadow, which is also really cool. And it's like more on the affordable price. So yeah, this one is going to came. I'm really scared that this video is going to be like ages long, so I'm just gonna go real quick. Of course, gotta take my beauty blender. Like I said, it's from Sephora, and although I don't really like the smell of it, I think I'm also going to be bringing these because you know, I just need a power, and that's what I have at the moment. I'm going to be bringing my Kaylee liquid lipstick. This one is Dulce K, and I actually did an whole video reviewing this product, so I won't talk about it like right now going specifically, but if you're interested in that, probably I will link it in the eye or like in the comments down below, so just go and check it out. And then it's kind of getting hard, so I will bring this one. This is like a pencil once again. It's from Kiko. It's in a sort of like kind of black but more like a gray color with like some sparkle, and I was like going to look the name, but apparently I just can't seem to find it, so just know it's from Kiko. And what would I bring? Also, this product, guys, I just feel like I need to mention. This one is again a blush by Kiko, and it's just so freaking amazing. This is how it looked like. Like this is kind of old as well, and like I can actually see which number it is because literally the writing just disappeared from the packaging. But this one is so freaking good, and I don't know, it's kind of hard. So, oh wait, hold on. Okay, this one is definitely going to come. So this one is the Adventure Color Fresh Jade, and this is how it looked like. I truly love this. I love this color right here. It matches perfectly my brown eyes. So yeah, this one is coming. So another item that I'm going to be bringing is this one. This one is Evan Shock, and it's kind of an eyeliner. It's like a pencil eyeliner, and it's super cool. And yes, I'm going to be bringing this one, which are the Metal Shock eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Gold, I feel like, 01, and then this one is 07. This one's kind of really pretty rose gold shade. So yes, those are coming with me. I'm going to be bringing this one. This one is a simple black shadow from Weekend because, you know, I feel like I can need it. I just wanted to mention this one. So I have quite a few lipstick from Bottega Verde. This is how this look like, and I'm not gonna bring these three simply because literally they're like that. I don't feel like there's actually any product on these, but I truly love them, and actually recently got a new one which is like on my everyday makeup, so I'm gonna bring that. But I just wanted to quickly, you know, tell you guys about them because they're really amazing, and I truly love them, as well as this one. So this one is a pencil from Essence, which I actually don't yeah, literally ended right there, but this one was on the shade 06, A Girl's Dream. And if you have like an Essence nearby, you need to go ahead and try this pencil because it's amazing. But then I feel like I did find a dupe for it, which is literally the Bottega Verde new lipstick that I talk about. And I'm gonna actually show you guys the lipstick if I managed to find it right here. Alright, it's just in the middle, so that would be a problem. Alright, how to mess up a perfect aesthetic setup. So this one is the lipstick that I talk about, and this one was in the shade, like is in the shade, I guess, 10, which is Velvet Canela, and Canela translated is cinnamon. So really love this one. Like I said, perfect for the fall. I actually got this in recently. Come shopping with me in my car, so that will be linked in the eye as well. And then I quickly wanted to talk about this product. This is a recently purchase of mine, and it's the mascara Paradise by L'Oreal. And I actually did film myself when I tried this mascara for the first time, and I'm not sure if I will or not insert the footage in this video because it will depend on how long this is going to be. But long story short, really like the mascara, so I just wanted to give this a shout out. And also, can we talk about the packaging? Like, it totally matched this blush. This is a blush from Kiko, and I'm like in love with the blush, and look how cute this look together. I totally wanted to take like a picture for Instagram with those because I just feel like that would be literally so cute. I feel like that's pretty much it. Like, I don't want to bring a bunch of product that then I won't use. I just want to, you know, keep it simple, bring just the minimum. Also because I am, like, when I was little, in the middle school, or even at the beginning of the high school, I was really into makeup. And when I say really into makeup, I mean really into makeup. And I would go full out with it and doing all this cool makeup look online with like punch of colors and whatever, and now I'm like really stick to the minimum. I really love how I look with just lots of coats of mascara and this lipstick. Oh, actually, I'm an idiot. So this lipstick basically is the one that I talk about from Bottega Verde. So you can totally see the shade on my lips. And I don't know how I could forget to mention this. But yeah, I feel like we're pretty much subtle actually. Also, how cute is this mirror? I'm really obsessed with it. The only thing is, once again, it broke, and so I won't bring it, but I think it's adorable. It says love, 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 because, you know, all we need in life is love. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy my makeup collection and also see me packing or like what I'm bringing as for like makeup wise. And I do have to say, this bag looks quite heavy, so I don't know if I did the right thing bringing all this makeup or if I should light it up a little, because I honestly have to bring all of these also. So we'll see, but those are pretty much the top products. You know, in a makeup collection, you can't actually mention all the products that you do on, because that will literally takes forever. But I feel like I did actually a good job showing you guys the product that I do like and that I'm actually going to bring with me. So if you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below which video you would like to see next. And other than that, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!